Hi, in this video, we'll be discussing GMAT Official Guide 2017th edition Quant Problem Solving question number 7. Let's have a look at this question. The question says here, a technician makes a round trip to and from a certain service center by the same route. If the technician completes a drive to the center and then completes 10% of the drive from the center, what percentage of the round trip has a technician completed? Again, if you look at this question, students may end up getting confused and end up doing so many calculation or end up doing wrong. This is very simple and straightforward question. Here the technician completes a drive to the center. He is from one place, is going to a center, and again he does the round trip and he coming back to the same place. So from A to B, that's the center, right? He is again taking the 10% of the drive. The question is asking you what percentage of the round trip has a technician completed. Now this is a very straightforward question if you use the answer choices. One thing is very clear that he has already traveled A to B, that is out of the 100% of the distance he has already covered 50%. And also he didn't stop there. From the 50% he also made another 10%. So answer has to be more than 50%. Only answer choice which matches that condition would be answer choice E, which is 55%. So you no need to worry about solving this question further, but if you look at it, what technically happens here, it's a successive discount, that is from here A to B has already covered 50% of the distance. The next line is something very important because 10% of drive from the center. So 10% from the center, so that means many students here end up doing that plus 10%, which is wrong. Here 10% of the 50%, which is another 5%. So basically if we had the distance from here to here as say 50 kilometers or 50 miles, whatever you want to take. Now 10% of the 50 kilometers he has completed, so which is nothing but another 5 kilometers, totally 55 kilometers. So 55 kilometers out of the total distance, which is A to B is 50 and B to A, which is around 100 kilometers, will be the total distance. So 55 divided by 100 into 100 will be 55%. So that's it, the answer is E. You no need to do this extra step. See the answer choices. None of the answer choices here are more than 50% except the answer choice E. So you can just pick the answer choice E and move on. I hope this is clear. Thank you.